Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what Waze looks like on the RCD 330 and how to operate it and stuff. Okay, so you press here and it will load the Waze up, which is a bit slower than the Google Maps. It's owned by Google as well, so I don't know why they do this. Okay, so this one, oh yeah, it is zoomed in. So this actually has, I don't like Waze, it's just not got any detailed texture to the maps. No, look. Oh, let me zoom out. So you can zoom out using this. As you can see, there's no life to it. It just looks dead. This will get you back to your location wherever you are. So at the moment I'm in York, next to my house. Just show you that, guys. There you go. So I'm in York at the moment, next to my house. And then this is you can see all the stuff. The police reports there, traffic, accidents. Oh, so this is if you want to report an issue, so you press that. Say there's police there, you can warn of the drivers, traffic, you can warn them there's been an accident, you can warn people. I recommend pulling over and doing this, otherwise you're gonna get you shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, you'll have police on you. Okay, hazards, camera, so you can add cameras in and stuff like that. So you can see your home, work, favorites and petrol station, and then here you can search for stuff. So I don't really like Waze that much. I'll type in Jaguar here. Alright guys, I just searched Jaguar now. Jaguar. Okay, so apparently that's the closest one, which is not. There's one in York as well. So this is not the right one. That's why I don't like Waze. It's not very good. It's not accurate. And look how slow it is and stuff. And look at this. It should have already loaded up the map, but it hasn't. It's very slow compared to Google Maps. That's what I don't like. Look how clunky it is and stuff, and just everything about it is just not that good. Not a big fan of it. Look how long it's taking. Google Maps would have done it like that, guys, like that, at the blink of a finger, guys. I don't know what the hell it's doing.
Blinking of an eye.
Inshallah. Oh my god. As you can see, I got full bars, so it's obviously the app. So yeah, to use these Android Auto stuff and stuff like that, you have to have your phone plugged in, by the way. As you can see, it's not gonna, yeah, that's struggling. Forget that. So Waze is a no go for me, guys. Google Maps is better. Stick to Google Maps. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.